It is one of the novels, Rizal pa rin, no? Written by Rizal that is considered to be a work of head rather than a work of heart, critiquing the political status of the Philippines during the Spanish regime. So letter A, Makamisa. Letter B, Mi Ultimo Adios. Letter C, Noli Me Tangere. Or letter D, El Filibusterismo. Ano po yung isinulat ni Rizal na kinoconsider, no? Nagawa daw po ng ano, the book of thought instead of the emotions. And of course, our correct answer for number 7, no? It's It's letter D. It's the El Filibusterismo or yung The Reign of Greed. Ito po yung kinoconsider na book of thought, no? Work of head. Now, yung letter A natin, yung Makamisa po, nobela din po yan ni Rizal, pero hindi niya po yan natapos. Yung letter B naman, no, in-explain natin kanina, no, yung kanyang huling paalam and acceptance of death for the country. Excuse me po. At yung letter C naman, no, yung Noli Me Tangere or yung college professor ko, no, he pronounced this as the Noli Me Tangere. No? Parang ang arte din, no? Ito po yung first novel ni Rizal, yung Maria Clara, no? Yan po yan sa Noli Me Tangere or the social cancer. And of course, ito naman po yung kabaligtaran doon sa El Filibusterismo. Kung ang El Filibusterismo more on the political aspect, no more on the work of head, the book of thought, yung Noli Me Tangere naman po, it's more on a romantic novel, no, between Maria Clara and his lover. And of course, talagang ibinunyag po doon Rizal yung katiwalian ng mga opisyal ng gobyerno at of course yung mga katiwalian din po ng mga praile. Yan po yan, no? Dapat po familiar na po tayo sa mga gawa ni Rizal. Dahil every board exam po na every season, talagang may mga items, napakaraming items na nanggagaling kay Rizal. Number 8 po tayo.